Where did you go on the weekend?
I went to the park.
Did you clean your room this morning?
No, I didn't clean it.
What time did you wake up yesterday?
I woke up at 7:30 a.m.
Did you play games with your siblings?
No, I didn't play any games.
Where did you travel on your vacation?
I went to the beach.
What did you wear to the party?
I wore a dress.
Did you take a shower this morning?
Yes, I took a shower.
Did you water the plants in your garden?
No, I forgot to water them.
Did you visit a museum last month?
No, I didn't visit any museums.
What did you drink with dinner last night?
I had water.
Did your sister buy a new car?
Yes, my sister bought a new car.
Why do you want to come here?
I need to talk to him.
What was your favorite subject in school?
My favorite subject in school was English.
What were you doing last night?
Was at home preparing for exam.
Where had you gone?
I had gone to the market.
And who went with you?
My sister went with me.
The one in the red dress was your sister?
No, the one in the blue dress was my sister.
What did you buy from there?
We bought toys, chocolate and chips from the market.
How did you all go?
We went by walking.
How did you arrive when you come back?
We come back by bus.
Where were your dad yesterday?
My date went to the office.
What did you have for dinner last night?
We had chicken for dinner last night.
What did your mom do before?
My mom used to be a teacher.
Did you cook dinner last night?
Yes, I could pasta.
What were you doing yesterday?
I was watering the plants.
Were you driving yesterday evening?
Yes, I was driving car yesterday.
Are you coming?
Yes, I am coming.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
What's your job?
I am a doctor.
Where are you going?
I am going to the hotel.
What do you do?
I work in a bank.
Did you bike to the park yesterday?
Yes, I rode my bike.
Did you swim in the full-on hot day?
No, I didn't swim.
Where did you buy your new shoes?
I bought them at the store.
Did you visit a relative over the holidays?
No, I didn't visit any relatives.
Where did you find a treasure on a hike?
I found it in the forest.
Did you plant flowers in your garden?
Yes, I planted roses.
Where did you see a rainbow?
I saw it after the rain.
Did you take a cooking class?
Yes, I learned to cook.
What did you play at the playground?
I played on the swings.
Did you visit a farm with animals?
No, I didn't go to the farm.